Have you ever looked around your garage and thought there has to be a smarter way to get things done? Whether you're a professional mechanic, a weekend DIYer, or someone who simply loves great tools, today's garage equipment is more advanced than ever. From heavy-duty tool storage and precision measuring devices to portable lifting systems and clever workspace upgrades, modern innovations are making repairs faster, safer, and far more efficient. A well-organized garage doesn't just save space, it saves time and improves every project you tackle. In this video, we're counting down 15 genius garage innovations you can actually buy. These practical tools and workshop upgrades are designed to boost productivity, reduce frustration, and help you build the ultimate garage setup. Whether you're upgrading your home workshop or outfitting a professional shop, you're bound to discover something worth adding to your toolbox. Let's get started. Matco 6S Toolbox. The Matco 6S Toolbox is a premium garage innovation built for mechanics who need maximum storage, durability, and organization. Proudly made in the USA, the latest 6S series features a larger cabinet, taller drawers for deep sockets, RGBW LED drawer lighting, upgraded swivel lock casters, USB-C charging, and heavy-duty drawer slides designed for demanding shop environments. Depending on the configuration, prices typically start around $8,500 and increase significantly with larger models and custom options. If you're serious about building the ultimate workshop, the Matco 6S is an investment that delivers exceptional quality, smooth operation, and enough storage to keep every tool exactly where it belongs. VEVOR Mechanic Stool 300 pounds. The VEVOR Mechanic Stool 300 pounds is a practical garage innovation that makes long repair jobs much more comfortable. Priced at around $60, it features a sturdy steel frame with a 300-pound weight capacity, a thick padded seat, 4-inch 360-degree rubber casters with 2 locking wheels, and multiple storage trays to keep your tools within easy reach. Its low-profile design slides easily under vehicles, while the silent, smooth-rolling wheels protect garage floors. For DIY mechanics and professionals alike, it's an affordable upgrade that improves comfort, organization, and efficiency during every automotive project. Garage Ceiling Storage Rack. A garage ceiling storage rack is one of the smartest upgrades for anyone running out of floor space. Priced at around $145, this heavy-duty overhead system offers an impressive 750-pound load capacity and is tested to 1,200 pounds for added peace of mind. Its 96 by 48-inch platform with an adjustable 22 to 40-inch ceiling drop creates up to 105 cubic feet of storage, making it perfect for seasonal bins, tools, and bulky gear. Built with reinforced steel, thick M8 hardware, and a limited lifetime warranty, it's a practical investment that keeps your garage cleaner, safer, and far more organized. Milwaukee M12 FUEL. The Milwaukee M12 FUEL is a standout garage innovation that combines compact size with professional-grade performance. Powered by Milwaukee's PowerState brushless motor, Red Lithium battery, and Red Link Plus intelligence, it delivers impressive power, speed, and durability for demanding automotive and workshop tasks. Depending on the specific M12 FUEL tool, prices typically start at around $170 for bare tools and $260 to $350 for complete kits. Whether you're loosening stubborn fasteners or working in tight engine bays, the M12 FUEL lineup offers reliable cordless convenience, excellent control, and the rugged build quality professionals trust every day. Cornwell Tools THCES 401. The Cornwell Tools THCES 401 is a clever garage innovation designed to keep thin open-end wrenches organized and ready for precision work. This 11-piece set combines 6 SAE and 5 metric thin profile wrenches, making it ideal for accessing tight spaces where standard wrenches won't fit. Built from durable alloy steel with a professional finish, it's a valuable addition to any mechanic's toolbox. The complete set is typically priced at around $250 during promotional offers. For technicians in serious DIY ears, the THCES 401 delivers excellent versatility, quality craftsmanship, and dependable performance in challenging repair jobs. Toplamper Wheel Toe Alignment Kit. The Toplamper Wheel Toe Alignment Kit is a smart garage innovation that lets you check and adjust your vehicle's front-end toe alignment without an expensive trip to the shop. Priced at around $75 to $100. The kit includes heavy-duty stainless steel toe plates, dual tape measures, and durable hub stands for quick, accurate measurements on cars, trucks, and SUVs. Its simple, no calibration design makes it ideal for DIY mechanics after suspension or steering repairs. If you enjoy maintaining your own vehicle, this kit offers an affordable, reliable way to improve tire wear and steering performance. Mac Tools Macsimizer HD. The Mac Tools Macsimizer HD is a premium garage innovation built for professional technicians who demand exceptional durability and organization. Designed with 440-pound drawer capacity, maintenance-free industrial roller slides, a stainless steel work surface, integrated drawer dividers, Power Drawer 2.0 with AC outlets and USB ports, and heavy-duty Rolex casters, it's made to handle the toughest shop environments. Depending on the size and configuration, prices typically start at around $6,000 and can exceed $10,000 for fully equipped models. If you want a workstation that combines massive storage with premium craftsmanship, the Macsimizer HD is a top-tier investment. BendPak Apex AT26A. The BendPak Apex AT26A is a professional-grade garage innovation designed to simplify tire mounting for modern vehicles. Featuring a 12 to 24-inch rim capacity, high-torque electric turntable, pneumatic assist tower, brushless AC motor, and a powerful bead breaker, it handles low-profile, run-flat, and stiff sidewall tires with ease while protecting expensive wheels. Priced at around $3,445, it's built for serious home garages and growing repair shops that need commercial-level performance. If you regularly change tires, the AT26A is a reliable investment that delivers speed, precision, and long-lasting durability. Beta RS C51. The Beta RS C51 is a premium garage innovation that blends smart organization with heavy-duty durability. Priced at around $600, this Italian-made tool cart features 3 ball-bearing drawers, an ABS-reinforced worktop with screwdriver holders, built-in spray can storage, a spacious lower shelf, and 5-inch locking casters. With an impressive 881-pound static load capacity, it easily handles demanding workshop tasks while keeping tools neatly organized and within reach. Whether you're a professional technician or a dedicated DIY mechanic, the RSC51 offers outstanding mobility, rugged construction, and the practical design needed for a more efficient garage. Powerbuilt 3-in-1 Folding Utility Table. The Powerbuilt 3-in-1 Folding Utility Table is a versatile garage innovation that works as a work table, dolly, and handcart in one compact design. Priced at around $170, it features a 40.5 by 20.5 inch adjustable height tabletop, supports 180 pounds in table mode and 330 pounds as a dolly or cart, and rolls smoothly on 4 4-inch locking swivel casters. The folding legs make storage easy, while built-in tool and drink holders add extra convenience. Whether you're moving heavy equipment or creating a mobile workspace, this all-in-one solution is a practical addition to any garage. Jet Material Lift X Series. The Jet Material Lift X Series is a game-changing garage innovation designed to make heavy lifting safer and easier. Built for professional workshops, it features a rugged steel frame, drill-driven winch system, large 6-inch casters, integrated forklift pockets, and impressive lifting capabilities. Depending on the model, the X Series offers up to 24 feet of lift height with a 650-pound capacity, while prices typically range from around $4,000 to $5,500. Whether you're handling engines, equipment, or bulky materials, this lift delivers excellent control, mobility, and reliability for demanding garage environments. MODbox Wire Spool Dispenser. The MODbox Wire Spool Dispenser is a smart garage and job site innovation that makes wire management faster and more organized. Priced at around $170, this durable dispenser is built from impact-resistant polymers and can hold up to 4 500-foot spools of 10 AWG wire inside, while supporting a total load of 120 pounds. It features front wire guides, a capture system to prevent tangles, a kickstand lid for easy access, and side rails for MODbox attachments. For electricians and workshop professionals, this tool saves time, reduces clutter, and creates a smoother workflow during every installation. Wiha 93 Piece XXL 3PRO. The Wiha 93 Piece XXL 3PRO is a premium garage innovation built for professionals who need serious organization and portability. This impressive toolkit includes 93 professional-grade tools, a rugged rolling case, over 100 storage compartments, large all-terrain wheels, a 42-inch extendable handle, fold-out legs, and a durable hard-shell design. The Model 91567 typically sells for around $1,000 to $1,200, making it a high-end investment for technicians. With its smart mobile workstation design and excellent build quality, the XXL 3PRO helps mechanics keep tools protected, organized, and ready for any job. QuickJack Fittings. The QuickJack Fittings are a small but essential garage innovation that keeps portable car lifts working safely and efficiently. Designed as genuine replacement components, these fittings feature durable steel construction, leak-resistant hydraulic connections, and compatibility with multiple QuickJack lift systems. Options include male hose fittings at around $48, cylinder elbow fittings for about $32, and hose fitting sets around $76. These precision-made parts help maintain smooth hydraulic operation and reliable lifting performance. For garage enthusiasts who depend on QuickJack systems, quality fittings are a simple upgrade that protects your investment. King Tony Electronic Torque Wrench. The King Tony Electronic Torque Wrench is a smart garage innovation designed for mechanics who need accurate and reliable fastening. Featuring a clear LCD digital torque display, peak and trace modes, LED and buzzer alerts, multiple measurement units, and professional accuracy of plus or minus 2% clockwise and plus or minus 3% counterclockwise, it brings precision to every repair job. The 1/2-inch model offers a torque range of 40 to 200 Newton meters, while prices typically range around $300 to $500 depending on the configuration. For engine work, suspension repairs, and professional maintenance, this wrench delivers confidence, control, and workshop-level performance.